Hello everyone, welcome to Edufy. Today we are here in the part 3 of our economy series, that is important MCQs for NPSC exam. So let us see the first question. Here are certain terminologies and graphs given and the description. You have to see which of the above are correctly matched. So Tobin's curve represents investment decision indicator. Laffer curve represents the relationship between the tax rate and revenue. Phillips curve represents the relation between inflation and unemployment, and Gini coefficient is a measure of poverty line. So 1, 2, 3 are correct. However, the fourth one, Gini coefficient, is the representative of the inequality, income inequality in the country. So 1, 2 and 3 are answer. It will be A. Next question, you will see with respect to the recent finance commission, that is 15th finance commission. So what are the points with respect to it? It used 2011 census data for population. This statement is correct. It recommended devolution of 41% of the divisible pool from the center to the states. It covered the period 21 to 26. So all the three statements are correct with respect to 15th finance commission, and your answer is C, 1, 2 and 3. Coming to the next question, with respect to industrial index of industrial production, that is released with respect to the calculation of the or understanding the growth of the manufacturing sector or industry sector. It is released by NSO. The base year is 2011 and 12. It includes mining, manufacturing and electricity sector. So which of the above are the correct statement? 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And your answer is 1, 2 and 3. All are correct statement with respect to IIIP. Next question, with respect to money multiplier, consider the following. It is inversely relation to CRR, that is cash reserve ratio. Yes, that is a correct statement. Money multiplier is equal to 1 upon CRR. That is a correct statement. Another thing, the increase in excess reserve reduces the money multiplier. This is a correct statement. Yes, this is also correct statement. If your CRR will increase, automatically will decrease. That is money multiplier. There is a inverse relationship between the CRR and money multiplier. In India, it is fixed by RBI. No, money multiplier is not fixed. Okay, it depends on the CRR. Okay, and other factors also, that is high powered money that is generated by RBI. So it is not fixed by RBI. So 1 and 2 are answer. That is your A is the answer. Next, you will see next question, with reference to REER, that is real effective exchange rate, consider the following statement. It adjusts the exchange rate for inflation differential. Yes, that is true. It measures the trade competitiveness of country. Yes, that is also true. Appreciation of REER always benefits the exporters. No, appreciation actually do not benefit the exporters. So answer will be A. Next question, the concept of friendshoring that is seen recently in news is referring to A, shifting trade entirely to domestic producers, B, reducing dependence on imports, C, relocating supply chain to politically allied countries, D, formation of regional free trade agreement. So here your answer is friendshoring means that we need to relocate the supply chain and other with respect to the products, the supply of goods and services to the politically allied countries. So your answer is C. Next question, we will see the Global Hunger Index is jointly published by. So who publishes it? It is C, Concerned Worldwide and World Hunter Life. Next, the question is special drawing rights are. What are special drawing rights? These are reserve asset created by IMF. IMF is International Monetary Fund. So it is not a currency, that we have to remember. It is reserve asset created by IMF. Next, WTO was established as a result of. So WTO was established in 1995 as a result of Uruguay round of negotiations. That is, your answer is C. Next question, New Development Bank NDB is associated with which of the organizations? So NDB is actually BRICS Bank. So it is associated with BRICS. They can also ask you that it was formed in 2014 by Forta Zella Declaration. By Forta della Zella Declaration, which was held in Brazil. Okay, so that is the year of formation also of this new development bank. Next, consider the following statement regarding MSP, that is minimum support price. So MSP is legally guaranteed for all agriculture crops. So not for all agriculture crops, but for 23 agriculture crops. It is recommended, it is announced based on the recommendation of CSCP. That is true. It is recommended by this committee. However, the final decision is actually taken by CCEA, that is Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. The cost concept used for MSP fixation includes A2 plus FL and C2. Yes, that is true. That is the new formula adopted. So all this and this 2 and 3 are correct. Not 1 is not correct. So C will be your answer. 2 and 3. Next question. Under National Food Security Act, the coverage of population entitled to food grains, that is 2013 Act, which gives food grains, it is the population covered is 75% of the rural population and 50% of the urban population comes under the domain of NFSA Act 2013. So, which of the following industry is classified as core industry? So, there are 8 core industries in India which contributes more than 40% in the industrial production, and out of those 8 industries, you have to tell that out of these 4 options, which is the core industry: textile, fertilizer, automobile, and your pharmaceutical. And here it is fertilizer. So your homework is comment what are the 8 core industries. Next, non-performing asset is defined as loan where interest remains unpaid for 90 days. So that is your answer. NPA is where no principal or interest is paid for at least 3 months. Then that loan is classified as NPA. It is A. Which of the following institution regulates the cooperative bank? So cooperative banks are regulated immediately by NABARD, and overall supervision is with RBI. So answer will be C, RBI and NABARD. That is a dual regulation over the cooperative banks. Next, Basel norms are related to, it is related to B, banking supervision. Next question, the sector contributing maximum employment but the least value to the GDP is. So agriculture contributes around 48% to the employment and it just contributes around 15 to 16% to the GDP. So answer will be C, agriculture. Which committee recommended MSP should be greater than 50% above the cost of production? And your important committee in agriculture is Swaminathan committee, that is B. Another important committee with respect to economy, Rangarajan committee, it recommended poverty line estimates based on the which of the following parameters. So here answer is C, monthly consumption expenditure. Next, the Global Competitive Index is released by OECD, World Bank, WEF, IMF. It is released by WEF, World Economic Forum. Next question, which of the following organization function as the lender of last resort to the countries? Now it is not lender of last resort to the banks, that is RBI. Now it is lender of last resort to the countries, and that is your IMF. Next question, World Bank Group includes IBRD, IDA, IFC, AIIB. Out of these 4, World Bank includes above 3 organizations but not AIIB. It's a different bank, that is Asia Infrastructure Bank. So your answer will be 1, 2 and 3. There are other 2 institutes, organizations within the World Bank Group. It is actually a group of 5 institutions. So you have to write the name of other 2 institutes in the comment below. So here answer will be 1, 2 and 3. IBRD, IDA and IFC. You can see the answer. So that was all in today's video. Thank you very much.